Alright guys, so time for something a little different on the channel. Picked up this 99 Mercedes-Benz ML500 and just going to do some work to get it through safety here. It's missing the front bumper when I got it. I did some ball joint works and stuff. Replaced the tire, $400 a pop. Great. But yeah, it actually came with a whole bunch of parts and stuff with it. And then I've been doing little stuff. There's CD changer and stuff in that little panel. Actually got a pretty clean, really nice interior in it. Got a nice touchscreen deck. But the previous owner had a monster stereo system in it, and he's gutted all the speakers and the subs and stuff that he had in it. So I'll be redoing components and some stuff in it here, as well as a sub box. But the main stuff for safety is this little kind of the wiper lever here is broken off. It's made of some wonderful thick plastic, not. But yeah, so take all the horn and airbag and steering wheel and everything out and get down to it and fix it. But yeah, other than that, it's in wicked shape. And under the hood, it's in really good condition. Like, nothing's really even yellowed on it. It's been garage kept all its life, but it's got a very peppy little 5-liter under the hood. Fairly low kilometers too, but when I got it, it didn't have a bumper and stuff on it, but did come with this stuff here. It's a wide body kit for it. Pretty well have the complete kit, except I'm missing the fender flares on it, so it doesn't really line up when you put it on it. Not sure that I'd like to look at the fiberglass and stuff on it. I think it would take away from what the car kind of is. But I ordered a factory bumper and that from it, so I'll be color matching it and putting it on and such. But yeah, that's the little Mercedes. So if you want to see more of this little guy, I'm calling it VADER. I think the name's pretty suiting. But yeah, stay tuned.
Blah, 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 blah.